Sometimes, life will break you, not to destroy you, but to rebuild you stronger. There will be nights when nobody understands your pain. You smile outside, but inside, you are fighting battles alone. People will doubt you, ignore you, leave you behind. Let them. Because pressure creates power. Every hard moment is teaching you discipline. Every failure is building your mindset. Right now, you may feel lost, tired, broken, but never stop moving. Even slow progress is still progress. One day, all the pain, sacrifice, and sleepless nights will become your success story. And that day, you will thank yourself for not giving up.